Very busy. So mommy is tired. Yes, so I need to get some massage and I need to go and get some manicure and pedicure. Do you want to go with mommy?
Yes.
Okay, can you please pour some? Daddy doesn't want to go to mani and pedi. Okay, can you pour please? Can you pour some flour please, my assistant? My dearest daughter, please.
All na.
Nika, you put everything. 我帮助你。这样。Sige. Oopsie, tanggal dito. Okay. Hindi dapat mag-e-end with the flour.
Flour.
May syrup pa.
Wala.
Okay, pour. Okay, and then later, mommy give you a chance to mix. Okay, to fold.
Egg.
So we have eggs here. We have flour.
And we need to put cream.
Later, once we fold it. Later, not yet the time. It's not yet the time, or else masisira yan. Or else you will ruin the entire cupcake, muffin, I mean. Okay? You have to wait for me because I am the teacher.
Was your teacher then? Please.
Okay, so we need to put some flaxseed so that you and Bebe will be very strong and healthy. Okay, pour everything please. Thank you. And again, we mix the flaxseed together with hemp seed together with the muffin butter. And now we put the Nika, you put Nika cranberry la. Nika she craisins. Everything, please. I'm sorry. That's okay. That's okay. Let me wipe it. That's okay. That's the fun part of baking. Because okay. Do you want me to help you pour the cranberry? Everything. Thank you. And then let's fold it together again. And then take a share walnuts, please.
Walnuts.
Yes, to make the muffin more yummy. Okay. Thank you. Done.
Okay.
So now, can you please help mommy put the cupcake liners, please, so that we put and transfer this there so that it's ready for baking. Okay, I'll give your mittens here. And let mommy help you. Here. So we're using red and green because it's Christmas time.
Wow.
And let me help you too. Please. Okay. Okay. Woman yung red here and green there, okay? Okay.
What's that?
Okay, you want red too? Oh, okay.
Maroon.
Okay. Can you count for us? Can you count for us? Oh, is it pink? Oh, you are right. Okay. Can you count for us? How many cupcakes are we doing for today? 1, 2, 3. How about you? Why don't you count for us? Can you please?
1. 2.
2. So again, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 cupcakes. Okay, one for you and one for mommy. Now it's time to pour this here. Okay? Right, mommy help you, huh? Okay, this is mommy help you. And I need a spoon. I need a spoon, please, Daddy. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Ayla. Let's pour. Do we pour it to the brim or just 2/3?
What?
Do we pour all the way to the brim or 2/3 only?